This is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can activate, manage and use the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, let's just go ahead and launch the keyboard. In order for the clipboard to be activated, find this very icon at this little top row containing, various options that are available to you. If you cannot see the clipboard icon over here, just expand the menu by tapping on those three horizontal dots. So once at the clipboard page, turn this little switch on, which identifies the fact that you have successfully activated the clipboard. If you would like to add any elements to the clipboard, you just gotta type in something, or basically copy anything, should it be any piece of text, character, sentence, whatever, any text you need basically, or even an image as well. So let me just copy it real quick. You can also cut it, so it will also appear at the clipboard after that. And once it gets to my clipboard, I can clearly see that the item that I've just copied has been successfully added as its most recent element. If you would like to remove the clipboard units you have, just tap on this pencil icon, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then click on the trash bin. In order to use the clipboard elements, just open any search bar or search space, type in bar or type in space, tap on the clipboard item that you would like to use, and it will be successfully pasted. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.